Hi everybody, here we are, out on Friday. Snowed again overnight, not so much, and we're out here dog sledding. We're going to look at going down the hill. Go on, keep going. Unfortunately, they're a little bit reluctant. Go on. They're not designed to be huskies. That's the problem. They want a leader. It's no good me trying to sit in the sledge because they'll just stand there and go, "What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?" Right. Turn you off there until we get to a potential hill. Don't know if we're actually going to go sledging. We'll see what it's like. There might not be quite enough snow. This is the smaller one of the team members. She likes messing about in the snow. Likes to chase snowballs. You ready? Good girl. And Wayward, as usual, lagging. We're about to cut across the fields. It's looking like there may be enough snow to sledge on. I'll just show you. We're not sledging on this side of the hill, sledging on the far side. So we've got to go up to the top and then across a little airfield. It's not really an airfield. It's someone who owns land has graded and levelled it to make an airstrip for his small airplane. Right, we'll see you on the other side. Got one plodding, one dancing. I'll say, she was like playing in the snow. Go on, Belle. Snow isn't overly thick, to be honest. There she goes, off sledging on her own. Doesn't want to, she's going too far away from me. You need a treat now. You need a treat for that, hey? She always needs a treat, don't you? Good girl, hey? Off you go. You're gonna, oh, she wants to have another go. Get in then. Get on the sledge, Bill. I'll hold it. Get on the sledge. Go on. You ready? Wait. She's expecting a treat for this. Oh. Another treat. Right, go on. A little bit of sledging. We're going to do some more in a bit. Probably only one run, to be honest. I'll have to see. His farmer's electric fence is up. So if it's across where the main slope is, where the main sledging slope is, we'll have brought the sledge out for nothing, apart from that little bit there. Right, definitely no time for sledging now. Even if the fence is down. That's the second time I've had to go and find where she's going, and she's been going backwards. Little old dogs, getting a little bit senile. Forgets which way we're going. If we go out of sight, She immediately panics and thinks she must have got in front. Why she thinks that, I don't know. And turns round. And last time she did it, I'd got to the, well, a little bit further than this. I have found he's driven his tractor up the field, which is, that's the slope we would have been coming down. So unless we could have perhaps kicked a bit of snow in the ruts, I don't think we could have sledged on it anyway. He must have been up and taken his cows in out of the snow. So yeah, it's down to mud in the tracks in places. So I won't fancy hitting one of those at speed. And the electric fence is still up here. It looks like he's taking it down to from where he's gone through it. So we could have perhaps gone for a sledge up there, but it would have meant somehow stopping it before getting to these tracks. But anyway, that's by the by. We're out of time. We need to go home, get ready because we're going out. Right, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye.
My life is for living, I'll be doing it in style.